Welcome, grade ones and the adults that are helping. Today is Thursday, the 11th of June, and we are ready and excited for a grade one English lesson. This week we are learning about the sound, the breathing sound. Say it with me. Very good. Can you remember the words we are learning this week? They are our words. Spend about 15 minutes revising these words before moving on to the activity. Read out each word carefully and make sure that you know what it means. Off you go. It's time to match the words to the pictures. Now, this week we are doing it differently. You will see in your pack, maybe that you've collected or the pack you have downloaded from the D6, that this activity is exactly the same as what you see on the screen. So if you have the booklet, you can physically draw the line or color in the blocks in the same color. So the block that says ham with the picture of ham can both be orange, for example. But drawing a line from one to the other is also okay. So good luck and enjoy the activity. We have spent lots of time looking at the words, and we have done activities that matched the picture to the word or the word to the picture. So I'm going to use pictures that we have seen, pictures which words we know, to try and build a sentence. Now, before we even start to think of our sentence, the first step is looking at our pictures. Sometimes there could be 2 pictures, sometimes there could be 3 pictures, and later on there'll even be 4 pictures. But what we do first is we discuss the pictures. We talk about the pictures. We ask questions. We ask one another what they think. And this is really important for the parent or the adult to do when practicing sentence writing at home, to have a discussion with the child. We always encourage them to use words that they know how to spell at this stage. Later on, we can use any words we want. But for now, we are sticking to words we can spell, words we can read. So let's look at the 3 pictures I have chosen for today's sentence. What is this picture of? We've been working with it every day. Can you remember what it is? Good. It's a hen, a chicken that lays eggs. Good. So we have a hen there. Where do we see hens? That's right. We could see them on the farm. We could see them in our gardens. Very nice. Now, these eyes obviously don't belong to the hen because a hen doesn't have eyebrows. But this picture is telling us what would come next in the sentence. So these are the slanted eyes. And what are the slanted eyes? Which word matches it? That's right, Smarty Pants. If you can remember, the word that matches this picture is see, because the E in see have slanted eyes. So the hen is seeing something. I wonder what the hen could be seeing. If I think of a farm or I think of my back garden, I wonder what the hen would see. Maybe it would see other farm animals. Maybe it would see a barn. What is our hen seeing today? I know this picture. It is eggs. Count how many eggs you can see. 1, 2, 3. Now, because there is more than one egg, we have to say that there are eggs in the picture. And do you hear it? Eggs. The teeth sound is just added to the back. So now look at these 3 pictures and think. Let's think of what a sentence could be that relates to these 3 pictures. What are some of your ideas? Tell your parent or the adult that is with you now, what are some of your ideas? And then I will tell you mine. What about a hen sees eggs? A hen sees eggs. Now, we could say the hen sees eggs. That's also fine. It does not matter. And if you have learned how to write down your number names, which some of you might already know how to do from maths, we could even be specific. But this is very extra work. We could say that a hen sees the number name 3 eggs. But that is the most difficult thing you would have to do. A pen sees eggs is perfect. Let's write it down. All right, now you can see that I've written out the sentence. Let's read it all together. A hen sees eggs. Once more. A hen sees eggs. Now, at the moment, you are not expected to create these sentences all by yourself. For now, you can trace over my sentence. So in the activity pack, you will see that I have written the sentence down and you just need to trace over it carefully. Don't forget that every sentence ends with a full stop. So you must add that to the end of your sentence as well. So use the paper with pictures now. Discuss the sentences with the adult that's with you first, then look at what the sentence is and trace over it. Have fun! Alright, so here are the steps to building a sentence like we have already discussed. The adult has a discussion with the child about the pictures before creating the sentence. Discuss these 3 pictures and then think of the sentence that you can create. Remember that this has been put into the pack that has been collected or downloaded. So after you have discussed the sentence, the child practices tracing down the words. Do the same with these pictures. Remember that when 2 people shake hands, we are saying that they met one another. When you meet someone for the first time, you normally shake hands. So this sentence would be about 2 characters meeting one another. And we know the word met. Wow, grade 1s, you are working so hard. I am so proud of you. Now we're going to end off the day with our reading. So read the following sentences forwards and then backwards. Read each sentence 3 times before moving on to the next. Then you will see there are some questions for you to answer. Please remember to pause the video. Find the word asp. Read the word that is on the left. Find the word asp. Read the word that is on the left. That's right, on the left is the word an. Find the word ham. Read the word above. Find the word ham. Read the word above. That's right, above ham is the. Daily reading homework. Please see book 1 attached in the pack. Today is Thursday, which means we are looking at day 4. Read each sentence twice forwards and twice backwards. Twice means 2 times. So read the sentence forwards 2 times and 2 times backwards. You must be able to read the sentences fluently.